Hello everyone, welcome one time again to STOPARTS LTD office. We are a supplier of heavy equipment spare parts, and today I want to show you John Deere shafts. Like you can see, this is the part number SJ29930. John Deere shafts, genuine. Okay, okay. So do not hesitate to contact us if you want it. You can contact us and just tell us about this video. You see this video and you want this shaft, and we will make a special discount for you. Okay, you can see it's the same number here. And we have another parts also. Just send us the part number if you want it. Write to us, send us the parts number and the quantity you need, and we will give an offer. And